Hello everyone, you can see that MetaMask has just updated their interface and a whole lot of changes have just been added. Okay, so here in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add USDT to the new way on how to add USDT into MetaMask, and then in the next video I'll be dropping, I'm going to be showing you how to add some funds into your MetaMask. Okay, so you have to ensure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video you are gonna be updated. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you have to ensure that this network is currently on the Ethereum chain. Okay, so if it's on Solana, you have to change it to be on the Ethereum network. Okay, so what we have to do is to click right here and toggle that on to the Ethereum network. So we'll look for Ethereum network, change it to Ethereum network, and here is the Ethereum network right here. So we'll tap on it and change it on to the Ethereum network. Good. So here's the Ethereum network now. Okay, so the next step we are going to be doing now is to go over to CoinMarketCap and go and copy the USDT contract address and come and import it right here in the Ethereum network. Okay, so let's go to our CoinMarketCap. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. If you don't have the app, you have to go to Play Store and download the app, or go to Apple Store and download CoinMarketCap. Here is the app. You can see here's the app. Okay, so I'll just tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, it's going to load up. Then what you have to do is to go and search for the name of the token, which is the USDT, because since it's USDT that we want to be importing in our MetaMask, I am going to type the name of the coin here on MetaMask. Okay, so what you do is, as soon as it loads up, head over to where you have this search right there, tap on it, and then you tap USDT. Okay, on the search bar right there. Okay, you type USDT right on the search bar. Okay, as soon as you type USDT, it's going to load up. You can see USDT right here has loaded up. So you tap on the first one, USDT. So you tap on the first one, which is the USDT. It's going to load up this page. Okay, so what you have to do now is to come over to where you have this. You see at the top here, you have to slide this to the left. Okay, until you get to the about section. So as soon as you get to this about section, you tap on it. Tap on that about section right there. Okay, I hope you are understanding all that I'm showing you. All right, now you tap on it. As soon as you tap on this about section, you go ahead and click on where you have this contract right here. You tap on the contract, then it's going to load up all the whole networks right here. Okay, it's going to load up all the whole networks right here. All right, so the first one, we are going to be copying the first one. This is the one that we are going to be copying. All right, so we are going to be tapping on this MetaMask right here. Okay, why is showing those Trust Wallet and MetaMask means that this contract address that you see right here are supported on both Trust Wallet and MetaMask. So in case you see these two signs, just know that this contract address can be imported in any of these wallets. I hope that is clear enough. Good. Now you click on this, that button right there, you copy it, and now it is copied. We'll go back to our MetaMask, and go and import our wallet. So you click on right here, it will take you back to your MetaMask. Click on where you have this sign button right here. You tap on it. So as soon as you tap on it, just head over to where you have this contract address. Paste that address that you copied from CoinMarketCap right here. Okay, you paste it. And then as soon as you paste it, you can see that the information is going to load up. Okay, the information is going to load up. Go ahead and click on make sure that it's on Ethereum chain. Okay, as soon as you change it to Ethereum chain, go ahead and click on this, then you click on continue. As soon as you click on continue, it's going to load up the informations. All right, it's going to load up this information. Then go ahead and paste, click on next, then you click on import. As soon as you click on that import, it is going to be imported automatically. Now you can see the token is going to reflect right here on your MetaMask. You can see that it has been reflected right here on your MetaMask. So that is how you import your USDT into your MetaMask. If you have any question, leave them at the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.